let's discuss the play Zoot Zoot, written by Louis Valdez. The summary of the play. The play begins with Henry Reyna and his 38th Street gang members headed to a local dance party. Henry Reyna is the central character of the play, and he and his gang members belong to the street which has the number 38. So they are named as 38th Street gang members. While they attend the dance party, they meet their rivals, the Downey gang. Henry's brother Rudy starts a fight between the two gangs. Downey gang and Henry Reyna gang start to fight on because of Rudy. This results in the 38th Street gang leaving the party. The 38th Street gang members leave the party. Della is Henry's girlfriend. Della, Henry's girlfriend, accompanies him on a trip to Sleepy Lagoon, a lagoon named Sleepy. They go for a picnic. So it's a popular hangout spot for Chicanos. Hangout spot is a picnic spot. Lagoon is a freshwater lake located near a large lake. Della and Henry go to the lake for the picnic. While there, Henry hears noises coming from the Williams Ranch. A ranch is a great farm or a big or a large farm. He hears noise from the Williams Ranch. He suspects that there is a party being held there in Williams Ranch. Henry and Della decide to go to the ranch, where the Downey gang are harassing the residents. So in the ranch, in Williams Ranch, Downey gang they harass the residents. They behave violently towards the residents. Mistaking Henry and his friends for the troublesome Downey gang, a group from the Williams Ranch attacks them. A group from the ranch attacks Henry and his friends. This attack results in the death of Jos Williams, an occupant of the Williams Ranch. Jos Williams dies. Henry and the 38th Street members are soon arrested and charged with the murder of Jos Williams. Again, Henry and his 38th gang members are arrested. Evidence is clearly shown that the Downey gang members are responsible for the death of Jos Williams. But the jury is strongly prejudiced. Jury is the judge. He strongly mistakes that the 38th Street gang members are responsible for Jos Williams' death because of their race. Jos Williams and Henry gang members, they differ in their race. Despite the efforts of George Shearer is the lawyer, and Alice Bloomfield, a white journalist and activist. So they both put efforts to change the bad name of the 38th Street gang members. But the 38th Street gang members are unfairly sentenced to time in prison. So they have to be in prison till their lifetime. So that is the punishment they received. The boys are sent to San Quentin prison, where they waited for their appeal to go through. So they have appealed for the higher court to get released. During this time, Henry develops a crush on Alice. Already Henry is in an affair with Della, though he has a crush on Alice. George Shearer, their lawyer, is drafted to serve in the war. He is going to serve in the war. George Shearer, the lawyer. Henry gets a punishment of solitary imprisonment. Solitary imprisonment is being in jail alone after pushing a prison guard. While the gang is in jail, the Zoot riots break out all over. So all over Los Angeles and neighboring cities, the riots break out. The boys are eventually released from jail, winning their appeal. So they win in their appeal and they are released. So after their release, there are three possible fates given by the dramatist for Henry. He can go back to jail and he may die due to stress. This is the first path, the first possible path. The second path may be he may serve in the war and die as a hero serving his country. And finally, the third path is Henry gets married and has children. Zoot is a men's suit with the high-waisted. This suit is worn above the waist. Men used to wear this suit above the waist, and both the trousers are wide-legged. So very wide-leg trousers, tight cuffed. So the cuffs are tight, and a long coat is worn along with this suit. In Los Angeles during the 1930s and 1940s, suits were most worn by poor and working class Mexican, African American and Jewish youth. So in this play, the men, especially the gang members, the rivalry gang members, being youthful, they wear this suit. That's why this play is given the title Zoot by the dramatist.